ಓಕೆ 92.7 ಬಿಗ್ ಎಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎರಲ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಬಾಲಿವುಡ್ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್, ತುಂಬಾ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ತುಂಬಾ ಡೌನ್ ಟು ಅರ್ತ್ ಹಂಬಲ್ ಆಗಿರುವ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಸಿಂಗರ್ ಆಗಿರುವ ಶಿಲ್ಪಾರಾವ್ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಸೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Hi guys.
Okay, Shilparav, so first of all, your experience about spending time in Bangalore.
It's been awesome. The concert today was amazing, and it's even more awesome to meet you, Errol, and all your team members. Thank you so much, Big FM, for coming here. Itni raat ko bhi. So all I want to say is thank you so much for all the love you've shown for all my songs. And today was the first time I performed Kalank on stage. And it's been a blast. So thank you so much, Bangalore, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much, Errol.
Thank
for
you.
having us here.
Stay tuned to Take It Easy.
Yeah. Stay tuned to Take It Easy and
With
show a
Errol.
lot of love for Errol. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Shilparav. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, guys.